Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix health coverage with Anthem, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Anthem website. On the home page, locate the member login section. Enter your user ID and password to access your account. If you don't have an account, click on register to create one. After logging in, navigate to the coverage tab in the main menu. Select health coverage options from the drop-down menu. Review the various plans available to you. If you need to change your coverage, click on Edit Plan. Follow the prompts to select your preferred coverage type. Provide any necessary documentation as requested. Once your selections are made, review your changes carefully. Click on Submit to finalize your new health coverage. Wait for a confirmation email to verify the changes have been processed. If you encounter any issues, locate the Help section on the website. This section offers FAQs and troubleshooting tips. If you still require assistance, contact their customer service. Use the provided phone number for direct support. Be prepared to provide your member ID when calling. You can also use the live chat feature for immediate help. Stay updated by checking your email for notifications. Regularly review your coverage to ensure it meets your needs. This will help you maintain the best health coverage with Anthem. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.